Abraham Lincoln said, if I was given 6 hours to cut down the tree, I would spend 5 hours sharpening the axe. What was Abraham Lincoln trying to convey is that the battle is already won in preparation. So I see a lot of people, they say, I want to become a millionaire, I want to become a billionaire, but they don't want to have the skills that will lead them to become a millionaire, to become a billionaire. The battle is already won in preparation. Practice, reading, every day, every single day you are working on something. You can't just say, no, I'll become a millionaire, you're not working on it. So the fact that you need to understand is, you need to start doing the things that will lead you to become successful. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's say you want to start training about editing. You need to start doing editing. Let's say you understand yourself, you have a career that, okay, this career will lead me to become a millionaire. And this career is about editing, or is about maybe copywriting, you want to be a app developer, all these things. You need to start doing them, brother. So you can't just say, no, I'll become a millionaire without doing. If you look about millionaire or billionaire, it's different with the type of the person that there was before there was a billionaire and before there was a millionaire. They had a new skills, They started becoming a new person. They stopped doing the thing that they was doing. So you understand? So what you need to understand is, you need to become a new person. That's what you need to be doing if you want to become the type of person that you want to achieve the goals that you want to achieve. So it's very simple and straightforward.
Yeah, as my brother said, Abraham Lincoln said, if I was given 6 hours to cut down the tree, I would spend 5 hours sharpening the axe. Yeah, it's true. My brother was trying to say that if you want to become a millionaire, you say, I want to become a millionaire. Let's say they've given you 1 year of becoming a millionaire. You need to spend 8 months or maybe 10 months finding a solution. Okay, where can be the problem be? Okay, how can I become a millionaire? What should I do? What should I tackle? Okay, what skill should I learn? Okay, what can I educate myself about? You learn about these things. Okay, let me start educating myself about e-commerce. Okay, let me learn about this skill. Okay, let me do this. Then if you organize those things, you see where the problem is for you to not become a millionaire. You gather the information. Then you spend 2 months to become a millionaire. It's very simple to become a millionaire if you know the game. Because people don't become millionaires. Why? They don't know the game. If millionaires tend to zero, they would get up again and become millionaires in more than maybe 3 months or 4 months, because they know the game. They have started the game. Okay, this needs to be done this way. Okay, this thing needs to be done this way. But for you to know that you are not a millionaire, you have not started the game and you don't know how the game works. So you need to start the game. If you go in the game, you come in the game, you need to start the game. Okay, what can I tackle? What skills can I learn? Okay, what can I do about this? You learn about if it's e-commerce, if it's skills, you learn about a lot of talents. Then you will find solutions and you will become a millionaire. So what we are trying to say is, you need to develop social skills. You need to start educating yourself. If it's reading books, you need to start doing all those things. And you also need to start practicing meditation, because it's boosts your peace. It helps you with a lot of things. So you need to know, you need to start the game. How can I become a millionaire? You stay in the game, you need to study how are people doing this and how can I do this. So that's the thing that you need to talk about. So if you want to become a millionaire, start developing some social skills. You need to start the game, and then boom, in the next 3 or 4 months, you are a millionaire. That's it, bro. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you want to support us, you can share, like the video, and comment, guys. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. We appreciate it.